guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys voted on my Instagram to do a makeup collection video. I was in between either my skincare essentials or a makeup collection video, and you guys voted that you wanted to see both. My last video was my everyday essentials, and this is my makeup collection. So if you guys want to see all the makeup that I have, then just keep on watching. But before, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you are a beauty lover, because I definitely am. And yeah, comment down below maybe some ideas of future videos you guys would like to see. And yeah, let's get started. As you guys saw in my last video, this is the unit that carries my makeup. So this first drawer right here are just sunglasses, so we won't go through that. But this drawer right here is basically the start to my face. So we have some primers here. I have this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I have this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Primer. I have the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion right here. What else do I have? This is almost done, but this is the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I love this primer. I have some concealers here. I don't have that many. I have the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color Creme Brulee. I also have Tarte Shape Tape. I have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I have this Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. I think that's what it says. I don't know. But yeah, I just have some concealers there. And then here I have my foundations. So here I have the Perricone No Makeup Foundation Serum. I have the MAC. This is like the classic Studio Fix Fluid. And I always get the color NC20, I believe. So I have that. I have, of course, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I have the Makeup Forever Foundation Stick. This is so old. The Ultra HD in Y315. I have the classic Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This thing is so good. I think this is the color Dawn. So back here I just have some Fix Pluses. I can't really get them out. The Marc Jacobs Coconut Water. I love how this smells, so good. And I actually have a backup of that right here. So right here I just kind of have some setting sprays. I have this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. It's like an illuminating spray. I have the Cover FX illuminating setting spray as well. So yeah, the Smashbox one, and then I just have like a little eye cleanser there from Sephora. This next drawer right here is my brow products, eyeliners, and mascara drawer. I don't have too many. Here I just have some backup eyebrow pencils that I love. So these are the NYX Micro Brow Pencil backups, and I have the color Espresso and Taupe. I have the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I love this thing. This is in the color 4.5. I have one of my favorite brow products. This is the Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks. It's a setting fiber gel. I have some Color Pop pencils back here, the NARS pencil. And then here I just have some like gels. I have this eyebrow gel from NYX. It's kind of like a pomade but in a tube. And then I just have the Essence eyebrow setting gel, and then one from Anastasia. And then here are basically all my felt tip liners. So I love felt tip eyeliners. They are the easiest for me. So I have Galactic, I have Essence, Kat Von D, I have Maybelline, I have Catrice, I have Stila. This one is from, where is this, L'Oreal. I have a backup of the Benefit Roller Liner eyeliner, which is like one of the best eyeliners. That here are just some mascaras. I don't have that many because I threw a bunch out. I just went through like a decluttering, so I got rid of a bunch of old stuff. But I have one of my favorite mascaras. This is a Monsieur Big mascara from Lancome. 2 Essence Beauty. Guys, if you have an Ulta near you, get these mascaras. They're like $2 or $3.99, and they're such a good quality mascara. So Essence Beauty, the black one is my favorite. This is the Get Big Lashes. The Volume Boost. I love this mascara. And then I just have some mini mascaras here. This is one from Bare Minerals Lash Domination and Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. And then here are just some color liners. I don't use too many. So I got this one. I just got in my recent BoxyCharm. It's by Luna and Luna. It's a baby blue one. I have Hikari, NYX, Jaunts Blue, we always get those. I have a ColourPop one. So yeah, those are just like pencil liners. So the third drawer down is my highlights, blush, and bronzer drawer. So again, I just decluttered a bunch. We'll start here with highlighters. This is the Temp 2, the shimmer. Well, this is a shimmer bronzer, and then I think this is a shimmer highlight. Yes, this is the Liquid Glow. So we got these in BoxyCharm. They're really pretty. I've used them like once or twice. And then these are both from BoxyCharm too. This is the Cougar Diamond Kiss. It's like a face and body shimmer. It's one of the little loose powders. And then this one is a Diamond Glow powder from Artist Couture. So it's like this pretty gold color. And then I also have, this is like the classic, like almost every makeup artist probably has this. It's the ColourPop Butterfly Peach, the Super Shock Cheek. This is so pretty. I love this. Haven't used that in a while actually. Next I have the Cover FX Glow Drops. Of course, Liquid Skin Perfecting in Moonstone. I have this from Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. I don't know, but I think I got this in BoxyCharm too. This is just a pretty blush. Oh, also of course, like, you have to have at least one Becca compact highlight. This is in the color Moonstone, I think, or Champagne Pop. Oh, Prosecco Pop. And then here are just some bronzers. So we have this Wet n Wild bronzer. We have some Chocolate de Soleil bronzers from Too Faced, which I really like these bronzers. These are perfect, like, neutral bronzers. I don't know, these are deluxe sizes, I think from like a holiday set. The Classic Hula bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers. I have another Chocolate Soleil one from Too Faced. I have a Laura Mercier bronzer. These are beautiful. This is in the color Bronze 03. And then I have some like little palettes here that I reach for the most. This is the Manizer Sisters. So you have the Mary Luminizer, which is like the classic highlight. Like, this was like the intro to all highlights. Then the Cindy Lou blush, and then a Betty Lou bronzer. So I love those. I have some loose powders here. Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. This is the one that recently came out that's kind of like watery. I have this one from Rimmel London, the Stay Matte. I love the Stay Matte Compact. That's one of my favorite. This is hands down one of the best setting powders. This is a ColourPop No Filter setting powder. This is like the best powder ever. It just leaves you flawless. Here are my blushes. So we got a couple blushes here. I love blushes so much, but I just got some Too Faced ones. These are probably one of my favorite. No, Tarte, I'm sorry. These are from Tarte, and these are their Amazonian clay blushes. These are by far one of my favorite blushes formulas to exist, if you can't tell. Love these blushes. They're so good. I have one from Note. This color is beautiful. I don't know too much of the brand, but I know I got this in BoxyCharm. But this color is just like blush goals. Love those like peachy coral tones. We have the classic Milani blushes. I have the Rose de Oro. I have the Luminoso. And another one, I can't get it out. And then I have this one from MAC. I love this color. Some butter blushes from the Butter Bronzer collection. Laura Geller back here. Kat Von D. I have some from the Balm Wet n Wild. I have Makeup Geek. And then back here are just some palettes. So I have the Tarte Park Ave Princess palette. This is like their bronzer contour / bronzing palette. So beautiful. I love this. I have this Laura Geller Baked Blush little set. These are just so beautiful. Very just simple everyday blushes. Then I have some MAC products. The Jaclyn Hill and Becca collab. I have my favorite highlight ever. This is the Rodeo Drive. We're going to move on to the next drawer, which is my lip drawer. I tried to organize this as like best as I can, but it was just so hard, guys. But I kind of have a system going, so I know what I'm doing. These are my lip liners. So I have some MAC, ColourPop, NYX, Charlotte Tilbury, just some lip liners. I have like my mauve colors, my berry colors. I have my pinks, my nudes. So here are like my nudes, lip glosses. I have like very pure deep reds here. These are more like peachy corals. I have all glosses here. As back here, I just have some purples. Next is my eyeshadow palette drawer. And you already know this is like the biggest drawer that I have. I have my holy grail products, which are these. These are the Too Faced chocolate bar palettes. I have the peach one. I have a Anastasia one. This is the Subculture palette. I have the Naked. This is the Basics one. I love this because it's just like all mattes. These are like every matte color you need in your life. So I like this palette. I have the Tarte Pro palette. I have, this is my favorite drugstore palette. This is from Revolution, the Soap X. Love this. Reina del Caribe from Alamar Cosmetics. I love this palette. It's so fun. Not colors I would reach for every day, but definitely very fun colors. Love these. I love supporting Kathleen Lights because I love her. So I have some of her, the Zodiac ones. I have this, Yes Please. This is like me in a palette. All the colors I use is in this palette. Love this palette. The Jaclyn Hill. This is like my New Year's palette. Every New Year's color, New Year's Eve color that you could need. What else? I have the Dose of Colors, the Desi and Katie. Another fun, very glamorous palette. Love these colors so much. Yeah, so these are just palettes I barely reach for. And then back here I just have this Tarte holiday collection. It's so bulky, so it kind of just stays there. So yes, those are my eyeshadow palettes. And then here we have my eyelash drawer. So this drawer, as you can tell, has lots of space, but just some eyelashes here. I have these Lily lashes in Gaia, I think. Yes, Gaia. Obviously some wispies. I have some Kiss lashes. These are so cute. More wispies. Basically this is like a wispy drawer. That's all I have. Oh, I got these from Tarte. Super cute. So this is basically my restock drawer. I know, I don't know, but I have some extra brushes here that I don't like to use a lot because I have a lot of brushes, so when those get old I can kind of use these. So I have some Luxie brushes because those are my favorite brushes. Another Alamar Cosmetics palette. I have another brow backup product, Bare Minerals face powder. I have this blush that one of my friends gave me, so I love that. I got a butter bronzer because you know this is my holy grail bronzer, hands down my favorite bronzer ever. I have some Sephora gifts that I got. I have some more MAC Fix Pluses. I have 3 back there. I get those, fun tip, I get these during the holidays because the set of 3 of these is like 15 bucks, and I like that they have different scents. So I have lavender, cucumber, coconut. This is the last drawer. So this is like my giveaway drawer. This is just stuff that I maybe got on BoxyCharm or I bought during the holidays. Like I bought this during the holidays. I got some brushes, another blush that I really like I have here, some red lipstick, Mary Kay foundations. This is just stuff that either I've been gifted or I save to gift. So don't mind my bed, guys. It is cleaning day, so I am doing laundry. But this is my desk where I do my makeup every day. So I'll just kind of show you guys what I have over here. I just have like my everyday basic makeup so that I don't have to go to those drawers. I have little face setting powders here, compacts. This is like a really good compact powder. My friend Ivana always talks about these, so I bought one. It's from Sephora. It's like a luminous one. I really like that. And then some bronzers here. So the Pretty Vulgar, I have a Tarte one, Hoola bronzer. I have the highlights here. So I have this one from e.l.f., this one from Dose of Colors. Then I have some blushes here. This is my favorite blush palette. This is the Alamar Cosmetics. So beautiful. I love these colors so much. So this is just like very neutral, pretty colors, especially for fall, that I like to keep here just in case I want to dust some on my eyes. Have some concealers back here. So the Maybelline, Tarte, Urban Decay, I have Estee Lauder, and then some foundation. So I usually use these, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Golden Beige, Dream Urban Cover by Maybelline. I love these. I have 2 colors. I mix them in. some setting sprays back here. So I have a ColourPop, the All-Star one, another MAC Fix Plus. I have some primers back here. So I have a Touch and Soul No Pore primer. This is the ColourPop All-Star primer. This is another one from Touch and Soul, No Pore primer. This is like their essence. Some brow products. So I have the Benefits Give Me Brow setting gel, some ColourPop pencils. I have ColourPop setting gels, and then back here are my tools. So just like little eyebrow blazers, my little pimple popper, some scissors, eyelash curler, tweezers, some mascaras back here. This is like my holy grail drugstore mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise one. I have this one from Benefits, which is the Bad Gal Bang, a lip liner from Steve Laurent that I got in BoxyCharm, and a lip paint from Tarte. This is in the color Bestie. So those are pretty much the colors I use every day. And then I just have my brushes here. So here are all my my eyeshadow blush brushes, some face blushes. These are more of the face blushes that I gravitate towards. And then here I keep all of my dirty brushes, or the ones that I've used, so I can wash these. And then these are the brushes that I use on clients. So these are brushes from my makeup kit that I need to wash, so I need to wash those. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have drawers or anything. And then I keep makeup wipes here for if I make a mess. And then for makeup, all I have left is this right here. This is the Zodiac. These are the loose pigment glitters. So I got this again to support Kathleen Lights. Here I have the set of the brown sugar. I got this as a Christmas gift. So this just has more lip glosses and stuff in here that I just like to keep it in the box because it's super cute. Anyways, there you guys have it, my makeup collection. I got rid of so much stuff, like bags and bags and bags of expired makeup and just old makeup. I had makeup from middle school, which is 13 years ago. Horrible. But anyways, yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.